Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Morning. We are from Maharashtra, Nagpur, and we choose Cholan Tours. And Miss Monica has given us the best package, and we are very much happy about the services provided by the Cholan Group, Cholan Tours. And Shibin is our driver. He is very enthusiastic and helping nature and very kind, and he supported everywhere. And our car is very good, nice, clean, and all hotels provided by the Cholan Tours are very good, and we enjoyed thoroughly this tour, and we looking forward more tours from through Cholan टूर्स, है ना। अभी मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ कि जो लोग साउथ में नहीं आते हैं उनको डर लगता है कि बाबा साउथ में आके किसको अपन ये करेंगे, तो ये चोलन टूर जो है वो बहुत अच्छा टूर है। हम भी वेबसाइट पे ही उनको किया था और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है। तो यहाँ लैंग्वेज वगैरह कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये बहुत अच्छे से अपने को ड्राइवर्स बहुत अच्छे प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिनको सब लैंग्वेजेस आता है। तो नॉन साउथ इंडियन पीपल also come here, and very budgeted and luxurious hotels are provided by Cholan. So we thankful to Cholan for their support and help, and we looking forward more tours from Cholan Tours.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Trivandrum today, and we are concluding our tour with Cholan Tours and Travels. First we visited Madurai, then Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari, and today is Trivandrum, and the entire experience was very great. Especially I want to thank Miss Monica, though I did not meet her in or talk to her in person, but I heard so much about her that she is a very lovely person and she cooperated very nicely with us, and
Shibin.
Mr. Shibin, our driver, captain, is a very enthusiastic and very cooperative person. He has maintained the car very nicely, and we had a very luxurious tour thanks to Cholan Tours and Travels.
Thank you.